Hello students and welcome to music class. Today in music class we're going to be talking about line notes and space notes. And you know that when we write music on the staff, let me show you very quickly what the staff is. Okay, we have notes that are placed on the lines, like right here, or in between the lines, and those are space notes, like right here. But don't copy this. I'm going to organize your board the following way. I'm going to do a line on the top, like this, and we are going to be writing right here the words line notes. So L I N E space N O T E S, and right here we have line notes, LINENOTES, line notes. After we write those line notes, I want to split this area in two parts by making a line in the middle. Okay, so we have two sections we are going to be working. Actually, let me do this one more time because it's not the way I wanted it, so let's do this. This is better. Okay, we have two areas where we are going to be working, okay? Now, on the top right here, on the top area, I'm going to draw a staff, and the staff is the place where we write the musical notes. So we do that by doing 5 smaller lines. So we start from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's basically the staff. Of course, it's going to be super long, left or right. And then what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to write a note on each line like this. Second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. Notice how I wrote the notes from the bottom to the top. So when you count notes on the staff, you start from here and go up that way. So for that reason, I'm going to do also an arrow right here. See, and that is the way we count the musical notes, from the bottom to the top. Now, if you have finished putting the notes there, like little circles, we're going to be numbering the lines from the bottom to the top. So this is line number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So it should look something like this. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. So if I ask you what line number is this is the third, number 3, this is line number 5, this is line number 1, number 2, etc. Okay, and this is how we place line notes on the staff, right? On the bottom part, we're gonna be writing another staff like this. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And right here, we're gonna do another staff. 1, well actually 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we have two groups of notes that we are going to be writing on those two staffs. So when we do that, after doing that, we're going to place a note right here. And then we're going to place another note right here. And you're going to tell me on what lines those notes are. So count from the bottom, and I'm going to give you 20 seconds to finish copying the staff and the notes. I'm going to tell me in what line number those notes are placed. Okay, 20 seconds. All right. So this one is on that third line. Why? Because we count 1, 2, third line. If we look at this one, is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one is on the fifth line, line number 5. Okay. Now that you know how it is done, I'm going to challenge you to do this. This line number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. I'm going to be writing notes right here. And at the bottom, you're going to be telling me on what, now this one right here, that's a mistake, on what line number that note is written on the staff. So if I do this one for you, you count 1 and 2, that's number 2. So you need to find out where these line notes are placed on the staff. Okay, and once we are finished, we're going to have a discussion about line notes. Okay, line notes, notes written on the